Ever wondered how some people instantly know they have new messages or updates just by looking at their app icons like that? It's thanks to notification badges. And today I'll show you exactly how to turn them on for any smartphone: Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, and iPhone. Even if you're not using a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra like me, don't scroll away. I've got a guide for your device too. Watch till the end so you don't miss the steps for your phone. Let's jump right in and make your phone smarter and your life easier. Alright, first, what are notification badges? Um, they are those small dots or numbers you see on your app icons that tell you there's a new message, email, missed call, or any update without opening the app. It's super practical because it saves you time and keeps you organized. No more constantly opening apps just to check if something is new. So on Samsung Galaxy 22 and other models, you open the settings app, settings here, and you tap on notifications, and you tap on advanced settings, and you toggle on app icon badges, this one. You can also choose if you want to see dots or number counts. Like if you touch this, you can select if you want number or dots. Okay, and that's it. Now your apps will show notification badges on Tecno and Infinix phones. You open the settings app, you tap on notifications and control center. You tap badge app icon or notification badges depending on your model, and you toggle it on. Your apps will now show badges whenever there are new notifications. OnePlus phones, open the settings app, tap notifications and status bar, tap icon badges, turn it on and customize if you want dots or numbers. For iPhone users, open the settings app, tap notifications, select any app you want to manage. Make sure badges is enabled, toggle it on. You will now see those red notification badges on your app icons. So no matter your phone, Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, iPhone, notification badges are super useful for staying on top of things. Remember to turn it on so you can always know when there is a new update without missing anything important. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy smartphone tips. Which phone brand are you using? Drop in the comments. I love hearing from you. See you in the next video.